G'day! In today's video I've got a Garmin eTrex, I believe it's called. This particular one has got a broken display and I want to tear it down and just see if I can get to the display to see if it's cost effective to replace the display. So, a budget B grade teardown video is what you're getting today. I like it when the screws match the screwdriver. I am using a T4 screwdriver. How's this going to come up? Just like that, eh? Two more up here. Bingo. I have one seal going on there, one connector, one little battery. Let's move that out of the way for now. Now, how's the rest of this going to come out? Why do I feel like there'll be a hidden screw underneath there? No, we are not. We do not. I repeat, we do not have hidden screw under the sticker. Now, how's the rest of this meant to pop out? Push it out the front. I'll pull it out the top. That's pressed over the board. These. There we go. Straight back into position. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. One button stuck in. There we go. That almost worked actually. Go. Go on, how does this stay attached? Looks to be that it has slightly bit of adhesive here, or I suspect it maybe is just soldered directly onto the board. Some isopropyl, and the screen's already damaged. Not too concerned about that. Flip this over. We are soldered directly under the board with no model number. Damn. So I was hoping it wouldn't be soldered directly onto the board and would have a model number on here to find out what it is. Disappointingly, I'm seeing a whole lot of nothing. In saying that, I do see something written on here. 440-0032-05. So that, those are LEDs that light it up. Cool little bit of technology, but we are no good.